LG. So this an old smartphone, right? So and also I turned this into a MP3 player also, since I am using also some of my old stuffs that I have been using. So yeah, so I also did make a video for the last one. So how to turn your old iPhone into an MP3. So I'm gonna have to make another one for that. I'm gonna have make another one to have that. So someone's correcting me because I am just only talking and talking about it. So okay, so sometimes my mistakes I also make a second video of it, so that you will know. So I'm gonna make also I am also gonna make a b-roll of some of my vlogs, right? So starting off today. So since some people some viewers not appreciate my videos also, right? So since I am not I'm just something just like what is this called, something simple editing, right? So you just have to cut a couple of minutes, and then gonna have to put it together for that one, right? So I also I so some because all of my videos has an intro and outro, right? So intro video and outro video. So because creativity, right? So sometimes other professional tech YouTuber has the creativity to edit, is because they have a video editor, right? They are a team. I am only solo, right? So I am a solo vlogger, not a team vlogger. So okay, right over here, let's go gonna get over into it, onto the product. So this one right here is the LG. So it comes AT&T, but I take care of the SIM card, right? So I take care of the SIM card. So just bought this for only $20, right, in the marketplace. Back. Okay, so I'm gonna have I just gonna have to skip that one. Okay, so yeah. And it's also, this is a good one, is because it is not so big, it is not so like that one's with a camera on it. So and then also we've got right here also microphone. We've got the power button right over here, and also we've got the SIM tray over here, and the micro SD card, and then also right over here is the power, and is the volume button, right? So I think I don't know what this one. So yeah, I think it's a camera shutter, right? So yeah, so and it's also we've got right here is also a micro USB supported, right? You cannot hate micro USB. You cannot hate micro USB, is because this is the start of the USB, right? Okay. Micro USB is the start of it all. So it is just only creating USB-C for faster and for faster charging, right? So you cannot hate, right? I'm watching you. You cannot hate micro USB, okay? So since micro USB is the start of the revolution of the USB charger, right? So okay, yeah, it is a micro USB, but it also has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We've got a speaker right over here. So okay, I'm gonna have to change the angle of the camera so that you will see it clearly, so that you cannot tell that this channel is not just also talking and talking, right? Okay, so I'm gonna have to change the angle of the camera so that you will see it clearly. Why is it that phone gonna be using as a MP3 player, and what is it called? What is the software, the application that are used for MP3? All right, okay. So right over here is the excuse me, so AT&T, and also this an LG phone, right? So not so big, not so for the thin, right, the phone like that. So you're just gonna have to turn it on an MP3 player if you really want, right? So you don't have to buy an MP3 player you don't have to buy an MP3 player to make an MP3, right? So yeah, here it goes. So this is the LG. So I forgot what is the unit for the model for this one, but this is a good one also if you want to have this. So okay, let's get over here. So and also we've got right here also, so we've got right here is the preview for this one. So I am using the AIM also, which is I also use for my any Oasis. Okay, and we've got right here is the AIM that I am using it up. So I just categorize all the music genre. So I'm gonna have to, like that one. So if only I can, if only I can screen record this one. But there's not, but there is no screen record for this phone. So since this phone is an older phone, right? You cannot screen record it up. So okay, so this is only a capture for the screen capture, right? So picture, okay. Gonna get over here. We've got right over here is all the music that I have. So we've got right here, and then also we've got some right here, and then as you see, I am, what is this called? I am categorizing all the music genre. So this AIM is a really good categorizing music if of your taste, right? So either you are listening to EDM, pop music, rock music, alternative, love songs, 80s from the 80s and 90s, and also some European songs. We've got some jazz, new pop, new wave, OPM. We've got some pop and rock, right? So R&B, hip hop, reggaeton, ska, right, and it's also some techno. So that is why I really like this a lot, is because ahead of the since ahead of the time. So mostly people nowadays are not using MP3, right? So and it's also I am getting sometimes of that one. So because these are really good, these are really good sub for that kind of tech, right? So if you're really into MP3, so since nowadays people are now using MP3, right? So people now using MP3, so that is why is getting back. So getting back all of the is getting back all of the this one right here and there. So yeah, people are now using MP3 nowadays, so for the music, right? So shut down the social media and reconnect to the real world, right? So that is why also, and also I have also been using an MP3 since way back then when I am still studying in college. So my go-to music is my MP3, is my phone, right? Is my phone. So my phone I am using when I'm still in college is a Samsung slide phone. I forgot what is that. I forgot what is the model for that one. I have a slide phone from Samsung, right? So, and that's what also right here is are really good, is because you can you can categorize all of the music if you want to. So you can like that one. So all of the genre of the music. So I also did one right over into my into my ini Oasis. So I just categorize all of the music right also into my ini Oasis, like that right over there. So that is why you cannot ditch this kind of style of music, right? So I'm subscribing to the Spotify, and then also using an MP3, right? And also a really good one. So since this phone is really ahead of time, right? So but older phones are really good for MP3 music. Oh, and also you can use an earphones, right? Wired earphones if you really want to, right? So okay, so and it's also for the like that one. So like you can also, but there's no album art on it, right? So and yeah, it's also a really good one. So you can see like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so a really good phone if you really wanted to have, right? So yeah, so if you want sometimes getting, you know, some of the MP3 players are too expensive, right? So, but you know, you're gonna have to big because sometimes for the minimalistic, right? So it is really good if you really wanted to have an any Oasis. So bunch of MP3s are now releasing. It's because of the, you know, it's because of the trending, you know. But you know, I am not into trend, okay? I am not into trend kind of a thing, right? So it's also right here is also I've got the iPhone 5C, so gonna have to check it out, okay? So the iPhone 5C is a smaller one for this one, right? So as you can see, we got the smaller one. Well, and also this one also is getting smaller and smaller, but you know, it is too thick for the any Oasis, right? So if you can see it clearly, right? So I'm gonna have to focus the light on this on the product, right? So as you can see also, this one right here, a smartphone is really a big one, right, for this LG. But when it comes to iPhone 5C, it is a really good one. It is a really good one, right? So it's because it is too small and it's also very lightweight like that one. So yeah, and also a good MP3 player if you really want to. But you know, for this any Oasis, so I'm gonna have to take this. I'm gonna have to take this off so that this go gonna have to take a closer look for this one. So I put this, I put a silicone back cover for this one, so to protect my MP3 player, right? So to protect my MP3 player, so you can see like that. So yeah, it's still in a good condition, right? And I'm still using this one for my music. All right, so this one, okay, and then you know, like that one. So and there's also right over here, as you can see. Yeah, look at that. So smaller one, but you know, it's very thick. Okay, we've got right here a smaller and a thin, not so thick, but good MP3 player, right? So iPhone 5C is a good MP3 player if you are having an iPhone 5C that you don't use it anymore, right? So and it's also when it comes to a bigger smartphone just like this one. So since this is the bigger, so some of the smartphones today are bigger, and then also my just like for example a smartphone that is a big one, okay, for this one right here is my Samsung. Okay, so I am using this also as a secondary recorder for my vlogs, right? So I'm gonna have to take this off first. Is I'm gonna have to take you, this is a really big one, right? So if I'm gonna have to close this one, if I'm gonna have to close this, so this is gonna be a big one, right? So yeah, will you look at that? So there's a difference, right? So there's a difference. So this is a bigger one. So and it's also if you really want to like that one, so there's a clearance right over here, right? So there's a clearance. So this a bigger one also. So since smartphones are bigger and bigger and bigger, right? So if you don't want to if you don't want to use your smartphone as a MP3 player for the Spotify, so sometimes people are still subscribing to Spotify, right? So but right here is by choices of the choices of the smartphones that I want, that choices of the smartphones and suggestions and recommendations if you really wanted to have an MP3 player, right? So B-roll is coming, okay, and it's also this a one right good. This one right here is a good if really wanted to have this, right? So okay, so let's go, gonna have to change the angle of the camera, and then we're gonna see some of the b-rolls of the camera, and some of the b-rolls of this phone that you are going to go to an alternative MP3 player, right, while I am speaking. All right, okay. All right, so this is the okay, sorry. So this is the iPhone 5C, and which is really a good one also if you really wanted to have this kind of MP3 player, right? So yeah, iPhone 5C is a smaller one. iPhone 5C is a smaller one, all right? So next to the any Oasis MP3 player, right? So there's still bunch of any Oasis MP3 player. They also release Y1, any Oasis Y1, which is the you know the another version of the iPod Classic, right? So any Oasis makes an MP3 player just like the iPod Classic, right? So, and it's also a really good one also if you really wanted to have this, if you are interested into old phone, turning into an MP3 player is a really good choice also, right? To save money also, if you really wanted to have this kind of MP3, right? So if you really want to shut down the social media, the internet, right? And if you just want to listen to music, right? So yes, and also it is also, you can put this in your pocket, right? So, and using also what is earbuds, or you are using an earphones, right? And it's also, this is a really good one if you really wanted to have this kind of device, right? So I think man Ericsson, so right, the Ericsson and Sony is combining into make a new device, a new MP3 player, and it's also ahead of the time. So you know, it is a really good, it is so bring something, some others bring some nostalgia, right? So but for me it is not a nostalgia, right? So it is a passion of the tech that you are having, such a retro, right? So since I am a retro lover, I'm an old school person, so I do it with passion, not just for nostalgia, right? So this is a really good this as an example, right? So some of the modern people right over here is saying so nostalgic. What? Why they are still saying that? So I don't like that kind of saying so nostalgic. Okay, nostalgia. So if you really want it, if you are onto some kind of an old school stuff, do it with passion. Don't do it with the word nostalgia, right? Do it with passion. So since we are person that living in this earth 100 of years ago, right? So yeah, so but right before music making, there was a vinyl, there was a jukebox, there was a CD player, DVD player, CD player, like that one. So yes, and then it comes one like that one, got audio CD. We've got this audio CDs that are now selling everywhere. In our country, they don't sell anything like this anymore in our country, Philippines, right? So they ditch it. So it's because they want to modernize. But being an old school person, it brings me back memories, right? So right when I am doing things that I'm buying tape cassette in the mall, buying CDs in the mall, and buying pirated DVDs in the Philippines, in some of the rural areas, for example in Manila, in I think Divisoria, right, like that one. In our province, in our city Cebu, we also got some sidewalk vendors that's selling DVDs right over there, DVDs, CDs, and everywhere. So I have also a friend, that man, my classmate in high school. He's still into DVDs. He's still into physical DVDs. So one good thing about is also, when I bought DVDs in a sidewalk, so I can see bunch of movies, the big one right over there, and then bunch of titles that you can see. What are those titles? And then like that one, whoa, awesome, yeah. Bring back memories, right? Bring back memories for that one also. I'm gonna make a video for that one, okay? So we live in like that one. So okay, so yeah, so and also for the I forgot this one, right? So since I forgot this, so since also this one right over here is the LG smartphone that you can also make it into a, so B-roll over there. So LG smartphone, in which you can use it also as an MP3, right? So this is a good one also if you're really picking into some old old smartphones turned into MP3, and it's a really good one also if you're really into MP3, right? So MP3 nowadays is still in hot topic, not just for trending, right? So alright, so I think that's it for this video, right? And also I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. And on the next video, everyone, on the next video is I'm gonna make a new some physical, because I don't have any more physical pirated DVDs that I left. Okay, so some of them I gave this, some of my pirated DVDs I gave it into my friend, right? So since he's really into horror movies, so I gave all of my DVD horror movies to him, right? So okay, thank you so much, and see you again on the next one.